Welcome back to Gorilla Tag Glitches. Today we're doing the Roomba glitch. It's inside of City. You're gonna come over to this little shop sign right here. Stick your hands inside and pull yourself in. Turn around to face the other way and click your Oculus menu button. Put your hands under the floor, click your Oculus button again, and you'll become a Gorilla Roomba. Make sure to keep your hands under the floor. You will be able to move around just like this. And to other gorillas, you'll look like this. I don't know what happened to my cosmetics. This glitch also works in Treehouse and even the beach dock. Subscribe!